Children, today we are going to see the lesson book back exercise, Unit 4 17 oranges. Okay, Unit 4 17 oranges book back exercise. First one A, from your reading of the text, choose the correct answers from the options given below. First question, the narrator was very fond of dash. Answer, eating oranges. The narrator was very fond of eating oranges. Second one. The narrator was searched by the policeman because his pockets were bulging. Okay, the narrator was searched by the policeman because his pockets were bulging. Third one, the narrator kept his mouth shut when questioned by Pongo because anything said would be held as evidence against him. The narrator kept his mouth shut when questioned by Pongo because anything said would be held as evidence against him. Fourth one, the voice in the narrator's head advised him to eat all the oranges. The voice in the narrator's head advised him to eat all the oranges. Fifth one, Pongo found no trace of the oranges on the table because the narrator had eaten them all. Pongo found no trace of the oranges on the table because the narrator had eaten them all. Next, find the synonyms for the underlined words. First one, the voice in his head asked the narrator to eat the evidence. So, evidence synonym is answer, proof. For evidence, proof. Second one, Clem looked at Pongo furiously. For furiously, what is the synonym for furiously? Angrily. Furiously, angrily. Third one, when Pongo caught the narrator with the oranges, he was very frightened. When Pongo caught the narrator with the oranges, he was very frightened. Frightened. Synonym, afraid. Frightened, afraid. Next, fourth one, the narrator was quiet when Pongo questioned him. The narrator was quiet when Pongo questioned him. So, quiet, synonym, silent. Quiet, silent. Fifth one, the narrator was in trouble because he took the oranges. Trouble meanings difficulty. Trouble, difficulty. Next, find the antonyms for the underlined words in the following sentences. First one, 17 oranges were hidden in the narrator's pockets. 17 oranges were hidden in the narrator's pockets. Hidden, antonyms exposed. Hidden, exposed. Second one, Clem Jones was ordered to open the box. Clem Jones was ordered to open the box. Ordered, antonyms requested. Ordered, requested. Third one, Pongo locked the narrator inside the cabin. Pongo locked the narrator inside the cabin. Locked, answer released. Locked, released. Fourth one, Pongo carefully searched the narrator's pockets. Carefully, antonyms carelessly. Carefully, carelessly. Fifth one, the narrator of the story felt very sick for a week. The narrator of the story felt very sick for a week. So, sick, antonyms healthy. Sick, healthy. Next, models. Models already I taught, okay. Here only the exercise part. So, can you? For can you, example, can you play the guitar? Now you can try, okay. So don't write only these answers. Even you can write your own. Can you lift the bag? Can you lift the bag? Can you speak Hindi? Can you dance on a stage? Can you write neatly? So like that, you too, you have to frame a sentence by your own. Do's and don'ts, necessity, obligation, and permission. Okay, now choose the correct option. First one, we use when something is compulsory, obligatory, and important. Okay, we use dash. So, must is the answer for this. We use must when something is compulsory, obligation, and important. Second one, we use dash when something is the right thing to do. So, the answer should. We use should when something is the right thing to do. Next, third one, we use dash when something is suggested or recommended. So we use ought to when something is suggested or recommended. Next, complete the sentences with one of the modal verbs given below. First one, students dash be quiet when they write the examination. So the answer, students may be quiet when they write the examination. And one thing I would like to tell you, ma, for models, don't depend only one answers. Okay, so models, even for this sentence, we can write students should be quiet when they write the examination. Students must be quiet. So for one blank, we have different types of answers. Okay. So, first one, students may be quiet when they write the examination. Second one, you dash wear a coat, it's quite warm. So, you may wear a coat, it's quite warm. Third one, dash open the window, it is very hot in the room. Answer, could you open the window, it is very hot in the room. Next, fourth one, I dash go to the school yesterday because I was ill. Answer, could not. I could not go to the school yesterday because I was ill. Fifth one. When she was 18, she could not run fast. When she was 18, she could not run fast. Sixth one. You dash drive fast. It's not safe. You should not drive fast. It's not safe. Seventh one. Sachin is a famous cricketer. He dash bat well. Answer, can. Sachin is a famous cricketer. He can bat well. Next. Your Adav, while you were away on a holiday, your house was burgled. So use appropriate models and complete the letter to your friend telling him or her about it. Okay, so here the address mentioned. So, dear Ramesh, how are you? I feel sad to inform you that my house was burgled last week. When I when I was on a holiday, might burglars might have known from the accumulated newspaper pile that had gone away. I had gone away. When I came back last Sunday, I found the back door lock broken. I could have forgotten to bolt the back door from inside, and they should have entered through it. My room was ransacked. They took my laptop and other valuables. I must have deposited the jewelry in a bank locker to avoid this loss. I should have informed my neighbors about my week long trip. Well, I have registered an FIR with the police. They are investigating the case. They have assured that I would get my jewels back. The burglars will be caught very soon. Convey my regards to all at home. Yours lovingly, Author. Okay, next, fill in the blanks with appropriate models. Milk is a nutritious food enriched with vitamins and proteins. We should take milk regularly so that we would not develop deficiencies in our body. Aged persons, children, and patients can take milk in sufficient quantities as it provides strength to their body. We will supplement it with the fruits, vegetables, and pulses for proper growth of the body. But we could consume milk of good quality, otherwise, it might cause harm to the body. We shall be very careful while selecting our food items because there are chances that these may be adulterated. We ought to protect our health. So, this is the book back answers of 17 oranges. Kindly note down the answers, copy the answers on your textbook. Thank you.